4 people are now dead after a 2-bike collision in the parish of Westmoreland.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
4 persons, including 2 females, died from multiple injuries they sustained in a 2 motorcycle collision along a main roadway in Westmoreland on Wednesday night. The deceased have been identified as 21-year-old Shakira Hawthorne, 20-year-old Kadeen Campbell, and 31-year-old Ryan Robinson, otherwise called Force Ripe, a local DJ, all of Whitefield district addresses in Westmoreland. The 4th victim has been identified as 31-year-old Everton Spence of Sheffield district in the parish. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m. the 2 motorcycles were being driven along the Sheffield Main Road in Westmoreland in opposite directions when the driver of one was preparing to make a turn when he was hit by the other motorcycle. The drivers of the motorcycles and the 2 females, who were believed to be pillion riders on one of the bikes, sustained multiple injuries and were taken to hospital where they were all pronounced dead. The Westmoreland police are now investigating the incident. Police in Westmoreland have confirmed that none of the 5 persons involved in the accident were wearing helmets.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.